So the rain we've seen so far this year is bringing attention to an ongoing problem in the metro. Flash flooding. Some neighbors spoke with Fox 4's Crystal Martinez about issues they've had because of those intense storms just a few weeks ago. She's live now overlooking Kansas City, Kansas. Crystal?
Yeah, a sigh of relief for many tonight as we kind of dodge those storms. Last month was a different story where KCK neighborhoods, especially certain ones, saw the impacts of flash flooding.
You know, every time it rains now, we're kind of hoping and praying that it doesn't happen again.
Velia Chavez says last month she had to close her insurance and income tax service office for a few days because of a storm that produced flash flooding.
We had to move a lot of stuff out because the humidity was really bad. And so our goal was to protect, all our documents and our clients' paperwork.
About 10 minutes from her office, just north of the Kansas River, there's another area that's prone to flash floods. Anadio Santos lives close by.
Just like today, they already say it's gonna rain tonight, so I told my wife, so get ready because the car is gonna stuck in there.
He says something needs to be done to make this area safer, especially because it doesn't take a lot of rainfall to create a driving hazard.
You see like a lot of cars stuck in there, it's a big problem.
Now, even the slightest chance of showers is enough to cause concern.
It's scary, and then I start looking at my cameras from home. I start monitoring to make sure there's no water coming in just in case, because we want to try to make sure it stays dry and safe in here.
Chavez says she even had to move out some equipment from the office just so it wouldn't get damaged in the future. She also placed some of the furniture on risers to protect it in the future. She doesn't want to move out because she wants to continue serving that community. Now, we also know the unified government met with people in the Argentine neighborhood about a month ago addressing those flooding concerns. We're waiting to hear back on what their next steps are. Lauren.
Yeah, it's a hassle and it sure can get expensive. Thank you, Crystal. Crystal Martinez tonight in KCK.